Rocky terrains are my worst because when you fall, you don't just fall, you break something. So guys, for today I'm at another bike park, and this one has animals. So check out these horses, man. They are huge. You have tractors, a whole lot of other cars. So what I'll do is I'll actually go on the ride. It's my first time here as well, and I'll see what this ride has to offer. But it looks good so far. I like animals, so whenever I see animals I get happy. It has begun. Thank you. Oh, you saw?
Okay.
Okay, there we go. No helmet, no ride. So far, so good. Hopefully there'll be interesting things up ahead. I saw a sign at the back there that okay, shouldn't be riding there, but it can either go to one of two ways. So I'm trying this one. If it's not as nice, next time I will use the other one. So there's another trail here, but I'm not sure if it's for downhill or that one. Okay, let's use this one. Then when I'm done, I'll go back to the other one that I said initially that I saw. See where this will lead. Oh God. Rocky terrains are my worst because when you fall, you don't just fall, you break something. At least I didn't fall down. Oh God, that was ridiculous. I lived, guys, I lived. Oh, let's go. Handsome like I hate rocky terrains. Let's try another one. By the way, I can't pronounce who I am, so what I'll do is right about now I'll put in the name of who I am. Go check it out. So far I'm liking it. Okay, we're done the second one. What else is there? Let's try this one. Oh boy. Now that's easy enough. I must say, of all the bike parks that I've been, this one, I can't say it's by far the nicest, but I'm enjoying this one the most. Okay, I'm not sure where we're supposed to go now. It says we turn right, and it's right next to the highway, as you guys can see. So this is good. I actually got lost coming here. It took me somewhere that side. See where that sign is? Then said I'd reach my destination. Then I had to double back, go the other way to actually find where the entrance was. So it's a bit tricky coming in here, but it's worth the drive. Here, whoo, let's see how nice this is. By the way, today, well, lately I've started, I think for those that watch my channel, I've started posting some stuff about cycling because it's a new thing that I actually now discovered that I liked. I'm trying to lose weight. I gain a large amount of weight. Running is good. I usually run, but cycling has now become a hobby of mine now. So hence I'm sharing all these things with you guys. So I think for today I'll do mostly that. Then maybe share a bit about myself for those that don't know me. I'll try and find a spot to sit, and I'll say who I am, what I do, what my interests are, where I'm from, where I'm currently staying, and all of those. So today is not really about translation, it's about my newfound hobby and who I am. Then let's see, hopefully this will show those that don't know me who I am and what I'm trying to do or what I'm trying to achieve with the channel. Like I said, at some point the channel will change a bit. I'll do something more in addition to this and hopefully get more viewers and more subscribers. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this. It's starting to get scary right now, but let's see what happens. I feel like as if I'll find a little house here in the bush here made out of sweets and chocolate, and I'll go in there, and there I was, eaten alive. This was nice. Oh, snap, 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 snap. I missed my turn, people. This is our spot. Okay, guys, it's time to go home now. My last ride. Thank you. Sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Look at this horse here. Nice. Okay, we are here. Thanks, bud. So, guys, again, welcome to Learning Tree the Fun Way with Tree Junior Pro. As you know, my name is Kwesi. For today's lesson, or what, I don't know what to call it. I'm not going to do any translations, right? Today, I just wanted, I think I said it when I was riding, that it's more about showing you guys one of my hobbies that I've come to love, which is cycling. Like I said, I gain a lot of weight and I'm trying to lose it. So running is good, but I enjoy cycling lately. So hence, I'm actually cycling a lot and actually posting what I'm actually doing, right? Another thing is, I said I'll tell you who I am, where I am, where I was born, and all that. So for those that don't know, right, my name is Joseph Kwesi Ampofu. Currently, I'm in South Africa. I'm a Ghanaian. Both parents are Ghanaians. We came here, I think, 20-some odd years ago. So I've been here for a while. I have one sister, two brothers. So basically, we're four in the family. Married to a South African, and her name is Nati Ampofu. I have two kids. My firstborn is Yao Ampofu, and the second one is my newborn, who's 9 months, and her name is Akusia Ampofu. I'm a software developer by profession, and one of my passions, well, my main passion actually, is trying to promote Tree to all those that don't know the language. So as to promote it, as I said, I actually have an app called Tree Junior Pro that actually teaches people how to learn Chi, from basics to more complex sentences, right? The other thing is what? I have this channel to promote Chi, but I'm going to diversify a bit. I'm going to do more writing. I'll probably interview other foreign nationals in South Africa that have businesses. Um, I'm going to do some foodie stuff, weird foods that I'm going to now add on, but you guys will see as it comes. I'm trying to grow the channel. The channel has grown. I think it's only 2 years old, but I just realized that my number of viewers, or the number of viewers, has dropped because lately I haven't been really posting a lot because of work and because of the little one. So my attention has shifted a bit, which I understand. So I think I'm going to add more things so that people can view it or watch it, and if they enjoy it, finally subscribe and will grow. So guys, that's me in a nutshell. Um, Come next week, I'll probably have translations for next week. So lots of love from me, Kwesi. And by the way, remember, if you want to learn Tree quicker, right, please go get the Tree Junior Pro app. With that and this channel, you learn Tree quicker, right? And the other thing is, if you like the content of the channel, please click on like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. Please do go spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Tree come to this channel, because I'm trying to make it more entertaining, not just sitting there literally looking at the screen and literally translating what people sent. You know what I'm trying to say? Hence, I have these cooking things. If I'm cooking at home or cycling, and at the end, I'll do a translation just to try and keep it more fun. Hence, it's the fun of learning Chi, or fun with learning Chi, right? Again, guys, thanks again for all your support. With lots of love from me, Kwesi. Bye.